Hello beauties, I'm Lixa and in today's video I'm going to show you how you can achieve this smoky eye look that I created. So let's get started. You can see how I do my face in my How You Can Do a Glamorous Makeup Step-by-Step video. First, I use some blush powder on my cut crease and underneath my waterline area using the M573 Morphe brush. Now, I apply a cream eyeshadow with Zoeva 233 brush all over my eyelids. I blend it out very well with the Nastelle brush in number 154. From JACLYN Hill palette, I use this eyeshadow with the same Nastelle brush to give more shadow to my eyes. With the first brush, I blend everything out till no harsh line. With this black eyeshadow, I give more dimension to my eyes using the Nastelle brush. Now, with the Zoeva brush, I contour my underneath eyes area and I blend it. This Lancome pencil will help me to create more contrast, so I apply it on my waterline and underneath it too. Blend again. This is a special glue pigment and I apply it only on my center eyelids. With this gorgeous Inglot pigment in number 273, I give some depth on my eyes. I apply it with the same Zoeva brush. Now, for a little bit dimension, I apply this beautiful ocean blue color from Kiko on my waterline. The Kat Von D tattoo liner helped me to create a cat eye look effect. This pigment from MAC will help me to highlight my underneath eyebrow area. Now, I curl my lashes using Suqqu eye curler, and I have to say that I love this beautiful product. And for full volume lashes, I apply this gorgeous mascara from Clarins. For lips, I go for Karaja pencil and Anastasia Beverly Hills. And from Sephora, I use this beautiful cream lipstick. I finished this look by setting it up with the Tarte setting spray. I hope you like this look. For more, please check the description box. See you next time, beauty lovers!